Okay, 21, the last couple questions. To tell whether it's completely factored, look at each individual factor. Let's look at the first factor, 3x plus 15. There is a GCF, so it is 3 times, when you divide 3 out, you get x plus 5. 3x minus 7, nothing, so 3x minus 7 stays. So no, it was not completely factored, and the complete factorization is 3 times x plus 5 times 3x minus 7. End your parentheses. Number 22, it says factor the polynomial completely. Hint, first factor out the GCF. So I looked and I said, well, my GCF, the number is 2 that goes into all of them. The letter is x cubed, because there's 3 x's in each. So divide out your 2x cubed, divide out your 2x cubed, and your 2x cubed. So we have 2x cubed times 4 divided by 2 is 2. 5 minus 3 is x squared. 30 divided by 2 is negative 15x minus 8. Then you need to look and see if this can factor. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do it by slide and divide. Actually, we've been doing slide and divide, so I'm going to guess and check for this one. So we have 2x cubed stays. I know that I need to find the factors of 2x squared and of negative 8. Well, 2x squared is nice and easy because it's prime. 2x and x. And I know that the factors of negative 18 are negative 1 times 8, negative 2 times 4. And that's not that many of a combination. And now I think about it. If I want to get all the way to negative 15, I don't want to use little numbers like 2 and 4. Let's use negative 1 and positive 8. So negative 1x, positive 16x, add them together and I get 15x, which is the right number, wrong sign. So let's see what happens if I just switch my signs. Instead of negative 1, I get positive 1, negative 8. So that's 1x, negative 16x, add them together and I get negative 15x. So my complete factorization is 2x cubed times 2x plus 1 times x minus 8. Number 23 is one of my favorites. We can see that there's a GCF of 5. So I divide both by 5, and I get 5 times m to the 4th. So we have m to the 4th minus 80 divided by 5 is 16. But then I look and I see that inside of here, the binomial is a difference of 2 perfect squares. So it can factor to 5, come straight down, m squared plus 4, and m squared minus 4, because the square root of each. And then I look and see that m squared minus 4 is another difference of 2 squares. The 5 can't factor, it comes straight down. M squared plus 4 can't factor because it's a sum, not a difference. But m squared minus 4 is a difference. Square root of m squared is m. Square root of 4 is 2, so we have plus 2 and minus 2 for a final answer of 5 times m squared plus 4 times m plus 2 times m minus 2. Now, if you want to see the solution to the right about, it is right here. So you have your practice right about. You need to know that perimeter equals 2L plus 2W. Area equals length times width. So you can go ahead and hit pause, and here's the solution to the practice right about. You can jot it down, you can take a look, see if you have any questions, and come and ask me later.